Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we are going to be diving into how to trade indices on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. All right, a full walkthrough that will get you confident on the charts. Let's just start with the basics. Indices are financial instruments that represent the performance of a group of companies. The most traded ones include the NASDAQ or US 100, depends on your broker. Yeah, depends on the name that is given to the asset. Some might call it USA 100, some might call it USTEC, some might call it NAS 100. All right, so the NASDAQ 100 is actually one of the most traded ones. Another one is the Dow Jones, that is the USA 30. Yes, another one is the S&P 500. Let's just add S&P 500 to the chart. Okay, where is it? Okay, USA 500 here. Okay, so these are some of the commonly traded indices. All right, another one is the German 30, the GER 30 or the DE 40. All right. Yes, so this is another popular one, the GER 40. Okay, so these are some of the most traded indices: the NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones or US 30, the S&P 500, and the GER 30. So these indices move fast, trend hard, and respond sharply to news, making them perfect for day traders and swing traders who want action. Now, how do you trade indices using MetaTrader? The first step is to add the indices to your chart. Obviously, you can go to your market watch. When you get to your market watch, you can drag and drop. All right, or of course, you can actually even execute your trades directly from there. But I'm going to recommend adding, opening the chart, all right, and doing your analysis before executing any trade. Or you can just come to File, you come to New Charts, and then you go to Indices. You select the particular index that you want to trade, and then you add it. All right. Remember that when you are adding a symbol, brokers often use their own naming system. So you might see USTEC, USTEC for NAS 100, or US 30 for Dow, right? For the Dow Jones. Once you've activated the index symbol, you drag it onto your chart window. You're now ready to analyze, right? So you choose your preferred time frame, right? The M15 and the H1 are great for intraday trading. Add any indicators you need, whether you're using moving averages for trend or you're using RSI for momentum, MACD for confirmation, whatever strategy that you are using, all right? You just set up your strategy on your chart, but keep it simple. Indices respond well to clean price action. I'm going to recommend an emphasis on price action, all right? An emphasis on price action. So once you have already done your analysis based on price action, you can use indicators as additional confirmation. Indicators should not be your main focus when you are trading these indices. All right, these indices are are better traded using price action, in my opinion. Right, in my opinion, they are better traded with price action. Then you can just use indicators for additional confirmation. All right, indicators can just serve as additional confirmation. Okay, so now one easy way to trade this, like I said, price action. So you watch out for market structure, watch out for for trending markets. If you have a sell trend, you should be looking for sell opportunities. If you have a buy trend, you should be looking for buy opportunities. All right, this is a pretty straightforward strategy. Yes, that is based on price action. Get candlestick patterns, chart patterns and all of that. So if you are in a bearish trend, you want to look for bearish confirmation candlesticks. For example, you can see here we had this rejection candle around this resistance, and we had a confirmation sell candle. Should have been a good place to enter a sell, stop loss right above the swing high. Meanwhile, if you also want to use indicators for confirmation, that's absolutely fine. You can decide to use whatever indicator that you want to use, whether it's moving average, RSI, or what have you. Okay, you can use them for confirmation. All right, for example, if I'm adding the 50 EMA to the chart, I can use it to confirm my sell trend, confirm my sell entry and even my exit as well. All right, but indicators should be secondary. All right, price action first and then indicators secondary. Opening a trade is easy. You just hit on new order, you select your index, the particular index that you want to open a trade on, you enter your lot size. This is super important. All right, indices are much more volatile than Forex pairs, so use smaller positions until you get the hang of it. Always set a stop loss to protect your capital. Use take profit targets that align with key support and resistance levels or session highs and lows. Now let us quickly talk about timing. All right, indices are most active during the New York session, especially from 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time when the US stock market opens. This is when volume spikes and big moves happen. So be ready around this time if you want to catch major moves. Okay, now here are a few key tips when trading indices. First of all, never over leverage. All right, never over leverage. The volatility can work against you fast. All right, so in addition to that, make sure that you mark your zones before the market opens. Indices love to respect levels, so I'm going to recommend using higher time frames to mark your zones. All right, your zones of rejection. You can see these zones that I marked on the chart. Mark zones where price is likely to get rejected. Areas of supply and demand, support and resistance zones, just mark them on your chart. All right, use economic calendars. High impact US news like NFP or Fed statements move these markets hard. Ensure you start with a demo account, start with demo trading if you are new to index volatility. So to sum it up, you now know how to trade indices on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. All right, the same strategy is applicable to both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. All right, it's the same strategy, exactly the same strategy. All right, from finding the instruments to charting, analysis, and other execution. This is everything you need to start trading indices confidently. If you found this breakdown useful, smash that like button and let us keep the momentum going. All right, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss weekly trading tutorials, tips, and strategies designed to sharpen your edge. Catch you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay consistent, and trade smart.